Our next sequence is geometric sequence. Now, our next sequence is geometric sequence. Now, this is a sequence which has a ratio called common ratio. Now, in general, for a geometric sequence, the terms are defined by A being the first term, AR being the second term, AR squared being the third term, AR power 4 power 3 being the fourth term, and so on. So you have A first term, AR second term, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, where A is the first term and R is the common ratio. So the nth term of a geometric sequence is equals to A R n raised power n minus 1. So of course that could be can be clearly seen that here is R. We have R power 1 minus 1, which is 0, so that is A. This is R power 2 minus 1, which is R power 1. This is R power 3 minus 1, which is 2. And this is R power 4 minus 1, which is 3. So let's look at question 1 of example 2. The third term of a geometric sequence is 1 if the sixth term of the same sequence is 1 over 27. We are required to write down the first 4 terms of the sequence. So in our solution, we have third term, which is A R squared equals to 1. And we have the sixth term, which is A R power 5 is 1 over 27. Now, since we are dealing with ratios, we can get the ratio sixth term over third term. So we can have AR power 5 over AR squared will be equals to 1 over 27 divided by 1. So this gives us, we are going to have R cubed equals to 1 over 27. Therefore, R is 1 over 3, cube root of 1 over 27. Now with that, we can also work out A from AR squared equals to 1. A will be 1 over R squared, and that is 1 over a third squared, so that will be equals to 9. So therefore, the first 4 terms are, so we are going to have 9, comma, AR squared, so that is 9 times a third, 3, that's AR, then AR squared, that's 9 times a third squared, which is 1. And finally, we have AR cubed, 9 times a third cubed is a third. So of course, it's important to note that this is simply AR squared, then AR cubed. In example, in number 2, find the 8th term of the sequence. So we have in the sequence, the first term is given as 32. We can get the common ratio, 32 over negative 16. So that one gives us negative a half. Sorry, that is should be negative 16 over 32, and this gives us negative a half. So therefore, the 8th term is equals to AR power 7, and that is 32 times negative a half power 7. So that will be equals to negative a quarter. In question 3, the ratio of the 10th to 8th term of a geometric sequence is 9. Find the 2 possible ratios. So in this case, we can directly work out AR power 9, that is the 10th term, over the 8th term, AR power 7, is equals to 9. So this implies that, of course, A cancel with A. So we have R power 9 minus 7 equals to 9. So that's by way of indices. So R squared will be equals to 9. And therefore R is plus or minus 3, square root of 9. So the 2 possible common ratios are 3 and minus 3.